This one's like the size of me. Alright guys, I've just been at this big acacia. There's probably 4 main trunks coming off this thing, then there's another one underneath there. Again, very new to chainsawing. Yesterday we got the blade pinched twice. Today, not at all. So yeah, a little bit more focused. Just beginning to figure out and take our time with it all and figure out, you know, where is the pressure on the log, the compression and the tension, that sort of thing, and then chopping it all up. Cannot believe how heavy this acacia is though. Like, unbelievable. I'm starting to realise that gym strength don't mean shit if you can't lift up logs like this, or rocks. And there we go. This is what I think is bite-sized sized logs, so we can move them to the side. But just watch me try and lift one of these up. Let me put this back on. Little carry handle on, which I love. Ooh. This one's like the size of me.
Whoa. Looks like a person. It's got a butt.
We went to the gym today before all of this as well, by the way.
I did have to